Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove an email account from Outlook. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. I would really appreciate that. But so yeah, that's what we're going to be looking at. And yeah, let's just get started. So now, as you can see, I already have my Outlook out here open up, right? So let's say I want to remove this email, which is info@marvelafrican.com, right? So what you can do is just come to file, click on file, and then this should be opening up. Now click on account setting, click on that, and then this tab should be opening up. Now click on that, right? So now you have this tab open up right here. So now, as you can see, I want to remove this all the list of the emails that I have on here in Outlook. So I want to remove this. Select the email that you want to remove and then just click on remove. Click on there. As you can see, I selected this. Now click on remove. Right, as you can see, careful, if you remove this account, it's offline, case content will be deleted. So do you want to continue? Just click on yes, right? And then now, as you can see, it has been removed from your list. So once you did that, just click on close. Now, as you can see, it's now removed from here, right? So that's how you remove an email account from Outlook. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.